Hi everyone, it's Grace. Today's video is all about how to drape the Jalu Romper. It's the same exact method as the Jalu Jumpsuit from the last video, just a shorter version. This time, I chose denim for the fabric. Step 1. Prepare the fabric. Before cutting, always check the grain line. Some fabrics, especially denim, can become slightly skewed during washing or manufacturing. If the grain line is tilted, gently pull and square the fabric so the lengthwise grain runs straight again. This quick adjustment helps your finished garment drape beautifully. Next, fold the fabric into 4 layers. We'll cut everything together, so keep the layers flat and balanced. Step 2. Start drawing the pattern. Mark a line 4 inches away from the fold. This line will guide the crotch curve. Mark 18 inches for the width. Now, you should have a rectangle that measures 18 by 35 inches. Take a close look here. This is where we'll create the crotch line. Usually, Jalu straps use 4 pieces of 2 inches by 44 inches. You can join 2 pieces to make one long 88 inch strap, but this fabric wasn't enough, so I joined 3 smaller pieces to make one strap. Later, I will show you another strap head that's super easy and convenient. Each pocket is 11 inches by 7 inches. Cut 4 pieces. Now we are all set with the romper pattern. Let's sew the pieces together. The sewing process is the same as the Jalu Jumpsuit tutorial in my previous video, so please check that out if you need a step-by-step guide. For this project, I use denim, so I choose a thread that works well with the thick fabrics. Now, let's talk about the strap hacks. As you know, my Jalu signature is using 2 straps to cinch and shape the body comfortably. But for this romper, I realized the 2-strap method didn't work very well. So I tried a different idea. Hack 1. 1 strap instead of 2. I made 1 long strap, fix one side to the shoulder, and tie the other side. It still keeps the cute bow detail and gives a nice, comfortable fit. Hack 2. No straps, only elastic. You can also skip the straps completely and use elastic around the neckline. For this sample, my elastic length is 35 inches. I'm still debating which one looks the best and feels the most unique. What do you think?